What's up, team? Let's go live on TikTok. Elliot, what's up, brother? Ryan, Tommy, Guarav. Guys, I got stopped out of my Euro USD position overnight, and it hit TP. It was something like this. What was the trade? It was something like this. This would have passed the account, but we lost. So we gotta try to find another trade on Forex. Let me take. But what's up? What's up? We're back. We got new chart colors. If you haven't noticed. What's up, Tommy? Good morning, brother. Good morning, Sivan. Sivan, I appreciate you going crazy in the Discord. What's up, Sui? TikTok. Fix my cam a bit. Should be good. Should be good. Everything looks to be good. Okay. Let's lock in, boys. Only goal for today is follow the rules. Oh, shit. Follow the rules, whether that's psychology or trading rules. That's it. Let's follow the rules. See what happens. CPI wasn't that eventful, or what happened here? Because did it wick? Yeah, it wicked. Okay. Well, we have relative equal highs. That's interesting. Did we close up the CPI for value gap? Oh no, we didn't. We could look for a long at 9:30, 10 reversal. Doesn't look too bad. But we'll cover the bias later for now. Let's put on. Look, locked in as fuck today. BTC long term Asian I got out 1 hour. That's good, bro. That's good. We take those. I gotta find out which pair I could potentially enter a position on. I mean, shorts on Euro. Mid. Yeah, yo, someone give me a pair and I'll trade it right now. No cap. But can't be ass. Can't be ass. But is there a CIC gold 5-minute time frame? Or maybe we'll do gold. Did we expand higher from the monthly? No, we didn't. I was waiting for confirmation from the monthly, but nothing yet. Someone said EJ short. Someone said USD GPY. We need to put a trade on USD MXN. What even is MXN, bro? I don't know about that. I don't know about gold. Is there a 5-minute CISD? You asked me. No. I mean, this is weak. I would wait. Are you bullish on NQ? Yes. I think I'm leaning towards longs, but we'll have to see. I'll ask me in yen at like 9:30. It came back to 21 DC mark from yesterday and tanked. Yep, same thing. Someone said EJ. What is EJ? Euro JPY? It better be something nice here. Oh, this does look really nice. The daily fair value gap, perfect equal lows. Yo, Jello knows what's up. Yeah, I'm gonna need that. Oh, we're forming an hourly as well. We both have an SMT. Yeah, use silver, brother. Silver. So ZAL USD, use ZAG. ZAG. Yo, Jello's on to something, bro. Jello's on to something. You think we can get this hourly? What caused the pullback yesterday? What pullback? I like this setup on gold. I actually do. I'm gonna take this on the proper account. You can buy XRP on Robinhood? Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I'm gonna put in the limit. It's already there. The hourly is forming. 30 minutes nice, 15-minute looks the same. I'm just gonna go for the entry on the 30-minute. Let me just put my entry in, guys, and we'll go to NASDAQ. I'm gonna run this. I'll risk 2% on this on the eval account. Thoughts on the video? Bullish until proven otherwise. If anything is all-time highs, just know that's my answer for everything. What was this one called again? Euro GPY? Euro or Euro JPY. Yeah, I don't even know how to set a limit order, bro. That's how fucking newbie I am at Forex. I don't even understand how to set a limit. So maybe let's just put an alert. Like hopefully 930 just goes up, taps us in, and then we're done. Set an alert here or some shit. And then if we get the alert, we can short. And if I did, sorry, I don't know how the risk works as well, so I gotta calculate this shit manually. If I did 200,000 units, yeah, I'd probably do 1.5 lots. No, probably a little more. I'll probably do 175,000 lots. Or sorry, 1.75 lots. Yeah, we'll do that. I guess we'll just put the order here on paper as well. Might as well. And then we'll put it in on... you could put your stop loss lower, to be honest, but I'm just going to leave it at the high. Okay, I like this. I'm thinking of putting some programs that will calculate the loss size based on SL and TP and entry price. That would be pretty fucking amazing, bro, because I don't know. Oh, I'm holding this. TP or stop loss, bro. You don't gotta tell me. I'm not trying to be on my... I mean, I don't want to be like negative or anything, but like, I'm mostly a futures trader, so I don't want to keep going back and forth through Forex and futures. Kind of just want to, for Forex, I kind of just want to put on my position and then just let it go. Because it's a lot, bro, to be day trading and then constantly looking at Forex charts as well. So I just want to put in the trade. The only thing I do need to do is I'll start trading with SMC. I mean, I trade SMC, so my opinion, it's really good, bro. How many lots did I say? 1.75? Fuck it, let's go 1.8. Go 1.8. Thoughts on gold? You trade SMC only? SMC is ICT, by the way. So I trade ICT, which is the same thing as SMC, right? If someone taught you otherwise, I'm sorry, but they lied. I'm setting up this trade, the long-term trade. Long-term trade for Euro JPY. Not long-term, but like it might not get. I don't know how much it moves in one day. That's not the. You're like Jello. Is this like a 15-minute trade, or is this like hours, or is this days? Like how long does it take for it to get here? Yeah, I don't know what I mean by long term. I don't trade Forex. This is like my third ever Forex trade or something. So like future. Oh, for a future is definitely better. Yeah. So like I can understand like when I see this, like I know how long it'll take approximately. But when I see this, like I have no idea how long this is gonna take. Assuming I get filled and it runs to TP, like is that like a day's worth of price action? Like how much is 120 pips, bro? Why do I think futures is better? Probably day, depends on news. Why do I think futures is better? You get tax benefits. It's more precise. It's traded centrally, so everyone has the same charts. Everyone has the same playground. Like for example, another forex broker might not even have this fair value gap. 2 days. Someone said 2 days. Okay, I see. I see. Anyway, we're gonna run this because I'm just trying to put in trades. I guess let me just put in the limit order. Okay, but how do you put in a limit order, bro? Like I don't understand this shit. Pending order. Okay, I guess it's called a pending order. 164350. 164350. Buy stop, sell limit. Okay. Oh, and I can put a stop loss automatically. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Shit's beautiful. And take profit. Boom. Is that the level? Oh no, right here. All right. We're in the money. We're done. Do I have to click this? I wasn't supposed to click that twice. What? All right, we're good. All right, we're good. Use match trade. It's okay once you get used to it. The best way to get into trading, like resource and everything, what's your buy for today? We're gonna cover buys now. Are you profitable with futures? I mean, depends what you mean by profitable. If you look at my last 100 trades, yeah, but I've only ever gotten 3 payouts, and we've been struggling the last like month or two, so we'll see. What's that prop firm? It's funded by traders. That's my forex prop firm that I use. Yeah, match trader. Yeah, match trader is not bad. Just gotta get used to it. Okay. Anyway, we'll put that away. Might not even get a fill here. Might have to take the. I mean, we'll leave it. We'll leave it. Anyways, NQ. Yeah. Let's get to business, boys. Bias for today. We have London low of day. Continuation could be there. We have the relative equal highs. I like these highs. We got the new chart colors, by the way. Now, longing the fair value gap below doesn't seem like a bad idea. We go down at 930, long the 15, hit the breaker or the mitigation. Euro JPY. Yeah, we put in the limit order. If it hits, we'll take it. If not, then can I entry it right now? I mean, you can if you want. I'm just trying to set up this position. If it doesn't fill, I'll look for another forex. That's the one thing I actually like about forex is you can just pick any pair you want, bro. You don't have to wait for anything. Let's open up the top step accounts. What about EU and GU? I couldn't find a nice long-term trade or like short-term trade. You can probably find a scalp, yeah, for sure, but I'm not looking to day trade it. You know, I'm trying to just hold it and leave and not think about it because I'm gonna trade futures, you know? Sell or buy. What happened overnight? Actually, I got stopped out of my sell position or my long on euro. My stop loss was Asia low and euro, and then I got swept, and then it pumped after. So what happened there? You could get New York reversal. Just Simon, what I would do for you, bro, what I would recommend is just go look at the chart and see if is it gonna be a New York reversal or is it gonna be a New York continuation from London. It's gonna be one of those two. All right, boys. Let's open up the micro Nasdaq here. Okay. Yeah, so the 50-minute fair value gap. I like this fair value gap. What's up, Habibi? What are you trading? Nasdaq. Yeah, I like the 15. Maybe we can take out the sell side and then same here. Yep. Let's do it, brother. Yeah, I don't know. I really like those equal highs. The strong displacement down. Yeah, I mean, yeah. If the fair value gap fails, then we're gonna look for the sell side. What's probably gonna happen is, and then this usually happens on CPI. We're gonna take the sell side, maybe all the sell side, and we're gonna do this. It's gonna look like this, maybe. And then what's gonna happen is there's gonna be an SMT here. You took the EJ trade. I have a limit order. See if it failed or not. I'm just gonna leave it there. Oh no, I should have done that. I need those levels. Anyways, yeah. What happened yesterday? You hit your TP? Which trade? I forget. Yesterday we hit 2 TPs and then I took 3 losses after. So now we're back at break even on the Forex account. This trade will make me either minus 500 or I was actually how much percentage wise? I was 0.5% from passing. Less even like 0.333%. Yeah, CPI low is probably gonna get taken. But unless we manipulate up, you should start with funded, bro. I wouldn't even waste your own money on a live account unless you can put a lot of money in. It's not even worth it. Just go funded. You're gonna dump. I got Discord. Yeah, I have a pretty big Discord if you want to come through. Yeah, I don't know. This sell side level looks really clean. I'm still bullish, but honestly, I wouldn't even mind this long. We're just gonna have to wait a bit here. I'd favor us going lower first. Could maybe play both sides here. Maybe we can take a short. Nah, I'd rather just wait. I think I'd rather just wait. I mean, usually the best setup forms around 10 for CPI anyway, so. Oh, speaking of, let's log into the one of the evals. All right. We need to, I mean, we don't need to, but we're gonna play this eval on MacLeod Futures, and we'll also play the funded. We're gonna trade the funded and the eval. We need to try to risk more. Try to risk more on the eval. Just try to get it done. If we had a bearish fair value gap there, like maybe I would have taken it, but at least this low is gonna be taken. But yeah, I mean these data lows, they look really good. There's no model here though. So unless we just came up, took the high, and dumped, then I could trade the short. I'm not just gonna take the short. We're not gonna get a fill, are we? It comes up. I'll keep it anyways. You took the trade? What trade? The CPI low? Yeah, it's probably gonna come here. Oh, we just wait. I'll keep eating my sandwich until something happens. Weekly profile right now doesn't look too clean. Maybe like could be Wednesday low of week. I don't know. I have to wait to see which direction Wednesday manipulates. And if it doesn't, just wait till Thursday. You could consolidate until PPI and then PPI. Bitcoin's 90K. 91K. That's actually crazy. That is crazy. Shorts on UJ. I mean, I'm looking for shorts on EJ. I've never done that shit before. Oh, let me check it out though. Nah, it's not clean enough for me. In a higher time frame. Daily power of 3? Yeah, I got you. I'm not going to give you the best explanation you've ever heard of daily power of 3. You ready? Let's do it on... The chart's still consolidating, so we're not missing anything. Okay, ready? Look at this. No, this ass. All right, I'll give you an explanation. You're going to open the day at midnight. Okay? This is midnight opening right here. Midnight open, true day open. You're looking to spot manipulation from this level. So let's say in London session, we just go down and then back up. This is your low of the day. You can expect this, assuming there's a higher time frame PD rate right here. You can expect this to be your low of day. Therefore, in New York, you can expect this. That makes sense? Because we already went below midnight. It's pretty unlikely that we're gonna do this lower and then come all the way lower again and then go higher. This is on a bullish bias day. That's unlikely, right? So you can spot that manipulation. So how about Asia? Asia usually consolidates. If Asia doesn't consolidate, like Asia ends at midnight, right? So Asia is what is it, 6 p.m. or sorry, 8 p.m. to midnight. So Asia can't manipulate from midnight. It's not possible. Asia's just like the pre-market. So usually Asia if Asia doesn't consolidate, then you have a lower probability day. You could probably have seek and destroy, in which case it does do that kind of up down, like yesterday, for example. What do I think of XRP? I don't know. Couldn't care less about XRP, bro. Look how choppy this is. You just gotta wait. 10 will be better. And will you did it consolidate today? Let me see. Why is it taking so long to load? Yeah, see, Asia consolidated. And then, so this is what happened so far. Now, this is looking like seek and destroy. Because Asia did this. London did this. And then New York did this. So far. Came down pre-market and rallied. This is the daily profile right now. So what does this look like? London could be low of day, you know? That's why I said I was bullish. London already came below midnight. And the daily profile looks bullish. Right? And we have equal highs here. However, Nasdaq's pretty weak. ES is stronger. So I'm looking to see, are we going to leave this 15-minute fair value gap? If so, I can look for it long. If not, I'm going to expect maybe the sell side to get taken. And then maybe this will look like this. Basically, is what I'm looking for. This is a bullish example, right? This is the bullish example. You could also be not bullish, right? Because remember, you have midnight open right here. This is all manipulation above midnight. So if you're bearish, then, well, you're ready because it's about to dump towards your target if you're bearish. What about data lows? Yes, I said I think it's going to probably come here. It's probably not going to respect the 15 because ES hasn't even taken out its minor sell side. So if ES hasn't taken out the minor sell side, you can probably expect the lows to get taken out on NQ and then the minor sell side on ES. And then we go long maybe. Yeah, almost always, Mitchell. Almost always. It's really rare I enter like in the first 5 minutes. You probably got your times wrong, brother. This is Asia low right here, so it's definitely been taken. Although my London times are off, it should be 2 to 5. Now it's showing 1 to 4. But you get the idea. This is a 15-minute. Your London starts at 3. Nah, it's got to start at 2, bro. London starts at 2. What's your bias? I'm bullish. I think it's gonna come down here, but then I think it's gonna go higher. I'm gonna wait for that and see if it happens. This one's called ICT Kill Zones Toolkit. What are the London times? It's I'll type it in chat for you. Those are the times for Asia and London. What's the level I have marked? I have the sell side here. This is your 15-minute minor sell side. Oh, it's not even. It's just sell side on the 15-minute time frame. This is just equal lows, equal lows. Do you trade futures or Forex, Mitchell? If you trade futures, watch 2024. And she looks good. Yeah, but you could short. I mean, like, I don't trade like this, but you could easily do something like this. It'll probably hit TP. You know? Meme coin super cycle drill? Probably. Yeah, you can short this. It's definitely shortable. It's just not my style. I don't like to trade trades like that. But it'll probably go there. It'll probably come here. Entry on Sigma? Yeah, I don't know what that is, bro. Sigma on Solana? This guy's username is also Sigma? Alright, buddy. So, Cookie, what about data lows? It'll probably go there, yeah. Am I missing some messages? Is there a gold CISD? That is a bearish CISD, yeah. Right here. That's your bearish chain SA delivery. That's your fair value gap. But you have relative equal highs. What's this level I marked out? I don't know. I forget. It looks like we're going to take the sell side, though. Someone said, when do you think it's safest to go in? When your model forms, brother. I'm waiting for mine to form. So I'm waiting for something like this. Maybe it'll be like this. It'll be sharp. Maybe it'll be like this. I'm waiting. I'm waiting, brother. Good to have lunch now. I mean, I'm eating a sandwich. It's breakfast, though. My pre-breakfast. Yesterday, I ate really poorly. Like, I didn't get as many calories as I wanted to. So I'm trying to make up for it today. Art Sigma? Bro, I don't care about Sigma, bro. Can you even get it on here? This thing? It's not even here, bro. This shit? Bro, this shit does not look bullish, bro. Yeah, I go live every day, brother. I'll be here. Yo, we might not get filled on this trade. London does take the low. Yep, the low formed at 130. So it formed in pre-market London. But the low was still taken. So even if you wanted to say 2 a.m., there's still a low below Asia. So it's still valid. You know what I'm saying? It's not like we took the low here and then just rallied. So London still manipulated below. And that's just the kill zone, right? It doesn't necessarily need to be like 2 to 5. The key is it's manipulation from midnight opening price. That's the key. The shorts forming. Oh yeah, if we take the buy side, I don't mind going short. 930 Judas swing model, barely. I mean, it's not clean, but maybe if we took the buy side, got a bearish fair value gap, I could go short, target these lows, and then go long again. Oh, someone sent a heart. Appreciate you, bro. I don't know exactly what that is, but I got a gift, I think. Breaker on NQ? Not yet. You could get the breaker, but oh, is there news at 10:30? Is it crude oil? Nah, it's some mid news, bro. Yeah, I personally don't care about that news. Bitcoin to 91. Let's go. Appreciate all the likes on TikTok, guys, and YouTube. Appreciate all the likes. Just waiting here. Yo, what do you guys think about my new chart colors? I was looking back at my old executions because on my Instagram and TikTok, by the way, I have like probably 50, maybe 100 trades posted that were taken live that I won. And I was looking at which chart colors that I do best with. And I went back and it was either the ICT colors, which is the old me, or the black and white. That's kind of what I did best in. We got the SMT, so I might actually go short here on the inversion. Would I take this if it inverses? The risk reward is awful. Man, I'll just wait. What's up, RC? So I was just looking and I was like, yeah, my best trades have been I mean, mind you, we don't have to come down here. I expect it to, but we don't have to. We really don't. Yeah, sell side there, London lows. Breaker on NQ? No, there's no breaker here. I think it's gonna go to high. I'm bullish, yeah, but I think it's gonna go lower first. Are you gonna hit the FEG then uptrend? What FEG? This FEG? I was thinking to go short and then long after. So this would have been, we'd be in the trade right now. Let's see. We can tape read. Let's see if it would have played out. It's not my model. I don't trade like this, but let's see. Oh, why is it so like? How did I get rid of this box? I didn't take this. I didn't take this. 5 minute? Yeah, no. Oh no, I'm not taking this. I'm not taking this. There's no model here. This is just a fair value gap. There's no model. There's no model. You guys know me. I always trade with my model. But it's good to look, good to see. Can we read price? Not doing much, yeah. First presentation, yeah. If you have a model on first presentation, there you go. First presentation plus SMT. I mean, maybe if we took the buy side, I can consider it a 930 Judas swing. Not bad, yeah, not bad. But just not, it's not my trade. Not my trade. I don't have a model on first presentation. So if you do, and it looks like this your trade, bro. Not in this case. Not in this case because there's a SMT. So ES took out the liquidity. So just look at ES. The setup's a lot cleaner. Probably gonna hit TP. You could also do something like this. See if it gives you the entry on the order block there. Yeah, it looks like it'll hit TP. Check EJ once. What should we wait for? Oh, EJ. I mean, I'm gonna leave it if it wants to give me a retracement into OTE. Trade's still valid to me. Just gonna have to wait. I'm just gonna wait. Looks pretty good on you, Jay. Yeah, it's just gonna go all the way. ES already hit TP there. Yeah, Mitchell, I always wait, bro. You'll probably know by the end of stream, but I'll tell the Discord if I cancel the order. The risk reward, like if you did it like this, not good. Yeah, just wait. I'm not gonna wait. Okay. Spy puts. Any good indicators? No, I don't really use any. How do you trade when trying to pass a funded? If it's your first one, just follow your rules and pass the funded. That's it. That's all it is. Manage your risk. Risk management is what's gonna lead you to wins. Nice, Elliot. Nice, bro. Okay. 950 macro. We're in long territory. We took out the equal lows. We don't need to go any lower. Oh yeah, if we get the inversion here, I'm gonna go long. Small little fair value gap right there. I like that fair value gap because it's rested right below data lows. Yeah, I'm here every day, brother. I think we'll take this inversion. Yeah, I will. 3 micros. So on this account, we'll do 6. All right, we're going in there. All right, let's see. We got the inversion. This is one of our entry models. So no rules broken. The rest is out of our control. Inside the macro. If we reinverse, TP's at the buy side. It's going to be up here, to be honest. It looks like it's going to be an instant stop out. Did we sweep sell side? We took out data lows, did relative equal lows. That's enough for me. If we reinverse this fair value gap, I might just close it early. Because that's just weak. Yeah, we're just going to let it hit the stop. We're going to get another leg lower. 2114. Yeah, it could go lower. It definitely could. But I'm not going to hesitate on that trade. I like that trade. All right, we're out. Instant loss. We'll try again after it takes the sell side level here. ES went. Where did ES go? Let's keep the 15 marked out on ES. Sell side? Yeah, let's see if it goes to the sell side. Buy puts? Yeah, man. If you're bearish, take your short, bro. Don't worry about me. The inversion didn't even occur. And it definitely did occur. It's right here. Did it not occur on NASDAQ? Oh, the inversion was there. I mean, yo, look at this. Looks like it might go back up, but who knows? We're pretty choppy. If it's choppy, I expect another leg lower. I mean, Is it really gonna just stop me and then go again? This happened last 3 days in a row now. There's no way. This has happened 3 times now. In a fourth time. But you never know, it could still go lower. Could still be wrong about the timing. If we get a bullish fair value gap, I'll go long. What's up, Guts? Well, CBI was an hour and a half ago. Yeah, Bitcoin's pumping, bro. Someone said disrespect it. Yeah, we got the inversion, and then it just ran right back through. You know, it happens. Next time, it'll just keep going. Same rhyme, same. But it's all good. Buying on the chart. Yeah, if you don't like to trade CPI, bro, then don't, bro. Just wait for another day. Yeah, there are equal lows. It could go lower. In my opinion, EJ is gone. Yeah, it is gone, bro. Probably gonna cancel this. Is PU still here? Yeah, PU just cancel this, bro. Too low now. You gave me confidence to stick to my puts. I'm proud of you, bro. Good job. First FEG post 930. Yep, right there. Oh yeah. Today's CPI, brother. Let's put in the journal something quickly before I forget. I'm gonna put the fact that ES didn't inverse before I forget, because I will forget. Thank you, bearish. I'm still bullish personally. Gonna wait for another leg lower, maybe higher at 10 a.m. Journal template. It's in my Discord. It's best you'd probably just go there and try to find it. It's under the pin section. Why isn't it showing the executions? We got stopped out in one minute. That's a 1 minute trade. 952. Got you, brother. Just putting the journal ahead of time. Trading model. It's daily power 3. Market, low risk. Entry model, inversion market. Didn't break any rules, notes. Yes. So Nasdaq was the weaker asset there, and Nasdaq gave an inversion. So to me, it was a valid setup for sure. I would take it again. ES did not take that. Yeah, I don't think ES is going to. I mean, it could. I don't think so. Give us a good forex trade. I don't know if there's any pairs that are going to set up anything. Already too bearish here. Too low. Everything's too low. CAD maybe? No. No, see, everything's already taking out sell side. Gold, I'm waiting for a long from the monthly fair value gap. It's just, you got to wait for price action. How do you get true wire? Just go to layout and click this one. I don't even know what else there is. USD JPY. Like, maybe if you think this is the high of the week, but it's not looking like it is. Like, there's day trades. You can find day trades, but not like a long trade. Would I take this fair value gap? Wait till 10 a.m. Someone said NZD USD maybe? Nah, this is too bearish already, no? Like, I would have already been positioned if I wanted to take this trade. It's too late for me to enter now, in my opinion. The Euro JPY one was nice. But it's already gone. No entry. Waiting for a sell side sweep? Yeah, me too. If we take the sell side here and then expand, I'll go long. We'll risk 150 again. Yeah, futures. How much should we risk on this one? 370? Yeah, let's risk the same amount. If we start to pump, I'll go long. I like CPI. Looks good. Yeah, if we get an inversion here, I'm going long. For sure. If we get the inversion, I'll go long. Just fitting my criteria. Wait till Asia lows are taken. No can do, sir. Asia lows, man. Asia lows are. What are you talking about, Asia lows? You mean these lows here? London lows? Low of day? We don't need to go down there. We can, but we don't need to. This inversion SMT will be enough for me. We get the inversion. That's already 2R. Target the full buy side there. Yeah, let's see if we get the inversion. Yeah, I just need to see displacement now. I'll enter again with 6 micros. SMT at the sell side, 15-minute fair value gap. No inversion. Maybe, yeah, maybe ES going for data low. Possible. I would favor the SMT being held and ES starts to rally, but if not, then probably data lows. We can look for a second stage on ES, maybe. That would have been right here. What's up, Raj? ES took out its sell side, its minor sell side. If today's going to be bullish, you wouldn't expect it to come down here. Longs, I'm looking for it. We'll probably take out the sell side here. There's the S&T again. Yeah, Bitcoin's pumping, bro. Took out the 15-minute minor sell side right here. 15-minute minor sell side. What's up, Raja? Yeah, we're in the daily fair value gap as well. All the main levels are here. Daily fair value gap high. Almost at the 50% level. We have yesterday PM session low. Or a lunch low. We could go there. It's possible. We'll mark it out. I like the 10 a.m. open low high close here though. If we get a bullish breaker here, like I said, this inversion here on the 2-minute, yeah, I'll be happy to go long on that. Looking for longs, yes. Staying pretty heavy. This could just be, 8:30 manipulated up, pick out buy side, and then dump the rest of the day. Could just be wrong bias, Yeah, it could just be EJ's cooking. Yeah, we didn't get filled though. I was originally bullish, but I think we might not get a reversal here after all. ES is still relatively bullish. Let's see ES after taking data lows. But like now it just looks like, 8:30 manipulated. We took previous day high, like maybe, but the fact we didn't take previous day high is weird. Well, it's definitely not choppy. It's just bearish. Yeah, ES just took sell side there, but we'll see. We shall see. Someone said, what did I tell you? I don't know, bro. Who are you? Previous high protected? The 959 high? We'll see. I said 21,050. Thanks for being my liquidity. All right, bro. No problem, bro. Hundreds of buys coming in. Maybe, yeah. I don't mind looking for longs from this level. We took out London lows. 5 minutes. I'm still bullish as well, but if nothing happens here, I'm not going to be convinced. I guess I would take the inversion here. They're so toxic. Yeah, it's okay, bro. I'm just here to follow my rules. I don't care whether I win or lose. Just trying to follow the rules. We could take this as a smart money reversal entry. If we get the inversion, we'll do it. If we get a clean pass through, that'll be the last trade. 30. We'll go 5 micros. 33.6. If we get the clean inversion through, yeah, we'll go. I'll go long. We didn't get the inversion, so we have to wait. Take care, Trevor. Interesting. Interesting take. Got the immediate rebalance there. Whenever you want to find a setup, don't go off what other people say. At Waba. You're in longs. Whoever is in longs, good luck, bro. I hope it gives me the inversion, then I'll get in. I'll get in with you, bro. I need the inversion, though. Failed again. Now the risk reward just sucks. ES got the inversion. I should have kept my eye on that. But now we're trading in the 5. I'll take this 1 minute fair value gap. ES is more bullish anyways. Damn, it's going without us. I could have longed right there on ES. We missed it. I'll take this fair value gap. It'll come back. Nah, not to that one, I don't think, but maybe to this one. I'm happy to take a trade like this. Actually, you know what? It's a valid entry if we just take it now. At the 3-minute mark, let's see. But it'll be the 3-minute inversion, so we could just, doesn't need to be a limit. If we get the inversion, it's closing up anyways. Still bullish. Could probably take it on ES, but I was taking it on NASDAQ. We missed our fill. I'm gonna enter myself there. Three-minute. All right, last trade of the day, boys. Yeah, it's gonna come below there. Yeah, I like that stop loss. All right, last trade of the day. Let's see how it goes. We followed the rules. That's what matters. Taking it off the inversion. See how it goes. We're inside of the 5-minute SIBI right now, so I'd want to see that inverse. If it inverses, then we can trail our stop and hopefully we get a good trade. If it fails to inverse, then yeah, I'm probably going to get stopped out here. And 2 losses on the day. 5M FEG. Just tapped into the fair value gap. Let's see if it holds. There's your fair value gap. Next 50 minutes, I might try to sweep you. Possible. Also, already up today, just on saying, but good practice. That's FOMO, bro. I need the liquidity before we move up. Well, enough liquidity has been swept for me personally. It's not FOMO for me, brother. Are you long? Just entered long. Yes, I am in longs. That's FOMO, bro. Did I miss anything? No, sounds like we're good. Seems like we're good. No SMT? Yeah, SMT is not a requirement. I mean, SMT is not a requirement for me, so. It's failed to make the OB, yeah. Failed to make the OB there. So we didn't inverse the 5. So it's probably gonna go lower, but we'll see. There's no liquidity left this week. I mean, yeah, there's not much left. We took out all the lows, but it's gonna be a bearish day, you know. That's okay. Loki got in at shorts. That's okay. Hope it plays out for you, brother. Tuesday's low. Yeah, we could get another low here. That's true. If we inverse this, it's probably gonna hit stop loss anyway. So if we take out previous day low, it's gonna be bearish. Yesterday's low isn't taken. Yeah, you're right. Hasn't taken yesterday's low. 5 minute silver bullet. Yeah, you could argue that's a silver bullet, but the fact that we've already taken out the major sell side, to me, it's not really. What is the best trade? What does that mean, bro? I mean, yo, it's the same thing. We haven't taken out yesterday's high. Like it's the same. To exit, bro. Why to lose more? No, no. I like my stop loss. I don't know I'm wrong. I don't think I'm wrong. I'll be wrong. The trade's gonna be wrong if we take out the low here. That's the only thing. But I'm not gonna put my stop loss there. I'm willing to bet that this fair value gap, you know. Oh, what's up, YBK? We still have the fair value gap on ES. It tapped in. ES a lot more bullish. We did reject the 5, but okay. It rejected from 5 minute. That's okay. Where's CP? Might TikTok just disconnect? Or we... What? My live was discontinued? Gotta reset the live there. Yeah, my TikTok live just crashed. I don't know what that's about. My trade's only invalidated if we take out the low. Why not wait for previous low? It doesn't need to get swept for it to be valid for me. It doesn't need to. No big buys coming in right now. Interesting, interesting. Yeah, yo, my live got cut off there. I don't know what happened. It said I was being inactive. I don't know how that's possible. But we're back. Still in the same trade. How much drawdown and funded? I'll tell you after this trade. I'd want to see this form as an order block. Where's TP? I'm gonna be aiming for some buy side level here, but it's gonna determine. It's gonna depend on the time and what the price action looks like. I might just take the 2R TP at the equal highs. Like at the minimum 930 high. So here at the minimum. Your buy side. Getting a nice push right now, but unless we can break above these highs, it's not valid for me. We could trail the stop here. It shouldn't come back down. So we can trail the stop. What's good, Koala? We already took one loss today, Koala, but we're back with one more trade. See what happens. You know what? It could suit this low. Yeah, let's just leave the stop where it is. Leave the stop where it is. But ES still has an inversion there. It's okay, Koala. You'll get through, bro. You'll get through. You'll get through, my brother. We still haven't really gotten above 10 a.m., so I still feel like we probably will. We're wicking pretty strongly, but we'll see. We left previous day low. What happened to Koala? I think you just overtraded. The 5-minute FEG held the support. Don't touch your stop. Yeah, I gotta leave a stop there until we inverse the 5. Yeah. I think we're gonna get something like this. And it could wick us out. It could. Hopefully not. Explain why Pivot doesn't need to be swept. Because we've already taken bulk of liquidity, you know? We don't need to take more. I mean, it could go there, you know? But it doesn't need to. We need previous day low gone. You don't need it gone. Silver bullet. I can check after the trade. Have Powell do a sudden speech. What's your thought process behind this trade, Gatie? Thought process is we took out a major sell side, and I'm bullish on the day. Left is equal highs. 10 a.m. silver bullet. 10 a.m. power of 3. Draw is lower. Why are you taking longs? Oh no. I forgot to ask Gianni, guys. That's on me, guys. I should have asked Gianni. No, I'm bullish though. I took longs. That's why, buddy. Buddy, I'm up a band. Congratulations, brother. Where's your boy Miso? Miso's not trading today. Why the fuck are you risking your why the fuck you're P&L? There's 8 micros on the eval, 3 micros on the funded. Johnny, yes, haha. Bro, I've heard that thing so many times. Bro, why does it get so choppy when I enter? It's probably gonna dump here. It's accumulating more shorts. Previous day low swept a shit ton of liquidity. There's no reason to wait for it to be swept again. I mean, it could go there, but it doesn't need to. For everyone who's saying like, oh, it didn't take previous day low, we also didn't take previous day high. So it's like the same. It's like the same argument. Look how much we dumped when we failed to take previous day high. Green line is previous day high. We still dumped. 4 hour needs a top wick. It has a little wick, but yeah, it's still power of 3 though. Fuck this market, man. It's tough market. We are closer to previous day low. That is true. Dude, the morning dump had me so mad I missed it because we didn't sweep the high. It happens, bro. See? You don't need to take the high. And WOG. ES tapping into this fair value gap is pretty much our last hope. That's the sweep that I was talking about. So let's see if that sweep brings us higher. Huh. Interesting. Okay. I got stopped out on the funded. So let's see. Hopefully this just stops us out here too. Because we technically should be out. If you said the sweep would have made the long much better? It would have made it better, yes. The big problem is that I'm in school and can't focus. Sellers back in by hundreds. What's your age koala? It will grab on the major sell side. It'll probably take out the previous day low if it keeps going. I mean, obviously it's right there. Oh, dude, rejected the 5-minute. Yeah, you're right. It did reject the 5-minute. Look on how that candle closed. Which one? This one? Yeah, it could go higher from here, you know? We said it could sweep and then go. But we'll see. We got stopped out on the funded though. We got stopped out. So it's just on the eval left now. Definitely going down. This is a daily volume. Bitcoin moved 3,000 in New York. Yeah, Bitcoin's been moving, bro. You need to learn IFEG. I know what an IFEG is, brother. It already came in this area twice. 2017 days ago. Do we follow the S chart? You should trade the more bullish asset. Yeah, it's tough. What do you think he entered off of? I just ignore those people, bro. I'm just here to follow my rules anyways. Just here to follow the rules. Same, Ryan. It's been tough. We hit the max minus 350 on the funded. What's annoying is if this TPs you out on your funded, my funded has a minus 350 cap. So it didn't hit the stop loss, it hit minus 350 on the account. So it never actually hit the stop loss. It just, it just liquidated it. So like you were trading for 1 year. If it TPs, that would be quite upsetting because it didn't. Doesn't even rule say higher time frame PD rate is needed? Yep, higher time frame PD rate is right here. You ready? Sell side on the 15-minute, hourly, all that. People think you're streaming to ask people how to trade. Just to trade what you trade and stream it. It's gonna TP. Yeah, I thought so too. And then this candle started forming, so I don't know anymore. No cap. I'm starting to not like the AM session. I feel like there's more chop. It's been really choppy at AM. Yeah, it really has been. Yeah, man, just gotta follow the rules. You know, something that really helps me, bro. I thought about this. Literally, the only thing you can control in trading is whether or not you follow your rules. You didn't wait for a 5-minute retrace? What does that even mean, bro? If you wait for the 5-minute inversion there, your risk reward is so bad. Like, how are you gonna risk this trade properly, bro? Like, that's just a terrible risk. Like, it's 2R if it goes all the way to buy side. Like, so unlikely. Five-minute candle again right now with a retrace. What's wrong with 2R? That's if we take out the full buy side. That's already a stretch. That's already a stretch. But it's possible. Nothing wrong with 2R. You can use the inversion low. Yeah, you can. You could use the inversion low. But then your stop loss wouldn't cover any of these fair value gaps. So you're just gonna, like, there's 3 stacked fair value gaps. You bought a bearish 5-minute? Yes, I did, bro. Yes, I did. And I would do it again. How can you predict a choppy day? Any day can be choppy now, being close to all-time highs. It's low resistance, liquidity higher for sure. We just took out the major sell side, so yeah, bro. For real. I'll make a call going, I appreciate you. You took a short? No, sir. Took 2 longs. Stopped out on the funded, but we're still in on it here. Why are you losing every day? Losing streak, bro. It's been tough, man. Been very tough. Is it going to buy side? I have no idea. Now it's just chopping. It could go both. We took it on the express and the eval. Nah, I like the background. 5-minute chart. It's wicked galore. Yeah, bro. Every time I enter, it gets really, really choppy. Yeah, I probably expect chop down into the sell side now because it formed a setup here and then failed. So the fact that it failed, Fibonacci on EJ, yeah, you could go for it again. Try to snipe the OTE entry. It's not bad. I have my alert there, but we'll see if it hits. This is getting insane. Like, the amount of times I've entered and it just does this is crazy. It happens like every time. ES is holding, yeah. ES is holding. It'll rip soon. Maybe. You too, man? It's so choppy once I enter. I use Top Step and My Funded Futures. Pre-market, yeah, man. I mean, yo, AM session's been really tough. It's gonna hit TP, maybe, possible. Yeah, yo, nothing you can do besides follow your rules. So there's no point in stressing. You literally can't control it. So why are we in a long? It's because I think price is gonna go down. So I just wanted to do the opposite of what I thought. You know? What do you guys think about that? Price of your TP right now. TP's previous day high. It's kind of a stretch. Might lower it depending on the time. Yeah. I'll help. I see ICT makes the trade full TP. No, I mean it's obviously not a good trade. I would never wait for the 5-minute inversion. That's not how I trade. So even if you waited for the 5-minute inversion, I mean look at ES. Like like ES came 3 points above the 5-minute inversion. So because there's no reason to short. What the fuck? Why you trade on news, bro? I like trading CPI, bro. I like trading CPI. Usually it's good price action after 10. This is not good price action, but usually it is. We all holding during this top? I guess so. What's up, Sam? What pair? This is NASDAQ. You think a bot that inverses TikTok traders will be profitable? I might code it, not gonna lie. Passed my funded this morning with CPI. I mean, shit, we'll take it. We'll take it. We will take it. It broke structure, so no one is looking to support up. And Q or Forex? Both. Where do you see the news? Today was CPI. I guess that's what he's talking about. I'll put the for everyone on YouTube. I'll put the TikTok chat up so you guys can read it because Loki, it's pretty funny, bro. People saying some funny stuff. I'll just leave that there. Me 3K last night off memes. Shit, we'll take that. We should have a lot better PA past 10 Eastern since that's not happening. I'm waiting for lunch. Yeah, that's the right way to go about it. It literally seems like it's just rejecting off our entry. Where do you have TP? My TP is all the way up here right now, but depending on the time, I might close earlier. The minimum TP will be here, the buy side level. Like anywhere on these layered highs right here. On this eval, I'm in 8 micros. I got stopped out on the funded. It wicked me out on it didn't wick me out. We got like my max loss on the funded is minus 350. So we were in drawdown minus 350 on the funded. That's my like max loss per day. So it liquidated the account, blocked me out. How much drawdown funded? Now we're minus 1350. So we got 3 more trades. We gotta win 3 more. Honestly, if I lose the next one, we'll probably just send it on the one after, bro. So we'll risk 250. That'll put us at 15. Actually, we'll just do 250 3 times. Yeah, we have 750. We'll just do 250 3 times. 250 3 times. Or we can do 200 3 times. But then we have 100 left. So wait, 200 3 times. We shouldn't have been stopped out. I thought I calculated the risk correctly, but I guess it was over 350. The ES 1-minute IFEG though? Yeah, that shit held, bro. Um, No, we're not in. I'm in on this account. It took me out on my funded. So unfortunately on the funded we got taken out. Unlucky. Should have been a TP. I Yeah, that's unlucky. That's really unlucky. You know? You can bring the stop here. Why are you trading on CPI? I like trading on CPI. Usually 10 to 11 or 10 to 12 is pretty clean. Pretty clean indeed. Yeah, this hourly will probably flip. Bro, I don't understand. Well, the people in my chat who are like, oh, you don't trade before CPI. It's choppy. Oh, don't trade on CPI. Don't trade after CPI because all the liquidity was taken. But when the fuck are you trading then, bro? Huh? When do you trade? You don't trade on no news. You don't trade when there is news. So when do you trade, bro? Take this without my past trading day, but like I get way through my bias. Bro, Ryan, trust me, bro. Exact same boat. Every single time. Every single time. Let's make sure we cover the wick there. Yep, this is NASDAQ. The fact we just inversed this is probably a stop loss, but we'll see. They're starting to roll this eval. I took it on both eval and funded, but I got stopped out on the funded, but I did not get stopped out on the eval. How long did it take you to learn trading? Why does it say MES? No, it says MNQ right here. MES on the right side, MNQ on the left. I like this intermediate term low. I'm going to add on this order block. I'll add on this order block. We didn't get it. I'll buy on the immediate rebalance. All right. I added 2 there. Our stop loss is reduced, so it's fine. And we'll take off 8 here. This is NASDAQ. Ryan, trust me, bro. Ryan, if you ever want to talk, bro, hit me a DM. Because trust me, I feel you, bro. Oh, people. Oh, me roasting TikTok? Yeah, these are micros. These are micros. So tough to hold. I mean, I got stopped out on the funded, so it's unfortunate. We could have reduced our risk there at least. This is what I post. Do you trade ES or do sometimes I'll take ES, but usually I'll take the trade on NASDAQ. Is EJ almost up? Yeah, I'm gonna put the that's a really strong wick. But yeah, I think I'll put the limit back. Go break even? Nah. I'll put it like here though. You just need to respect the OB. We might get wicked out here, but it's okay. Fix your YouTube moderation settings. Bro, what's wrong with my YouTube moderation settings? Put in an SMT here. Bearish fair value gap forming. Yeah, my stop loss is not that safe, to be honest. The safe stop loss is down here. But I'm happy with this if it stops me. Low of day. What about EJ? Yeah, I'm gonna put the limit back probably. All right, guys. Looks like we're finally out. We managed to reduce our risk, which is good, but still a loss. Is there breathing your stop losses there, brother? Just asking, curious. If it's a good trade, it'll just respect this order block. If it comes back here, it could sweep the low and go. But the fact that we like formed this OB, it should just go, you know? We failed to inverse the 5 again. So to me, the fact that it's coming down here, I think there's a good chance it'll just come and take out the low, you know? That's kind of the idea. Let me give it one tick. Shit, doesn't matter. Why is bro buying? Your stop loss does not invalidate the trade idea. Yep, you're right. You are right. It would be, realistically, the only thing that would invalidate it is this low right here. But I'm not going to put it there. Because I would risk the fact that if it's going to come even to this level here, it'll continue lower. You know? I'm willing to put that. That's how you manage your risk, you know? Most of the time, if I put my stop loss here and it hits, most of the time it would come out and take the lows here. See, for example, it looks like it's probably going to come here now. You know? So, yeah, you're right. It could have not. It could have not went there. But, yeah, I'll put the EJ on again. But I'm willing to bet that it probably will. Daily profile starting to look like a New York reversal that formed at 8:30. Unicorn 50-minute down. Yep, that's unit breaker. Fair value gap rejected off. Wicked high. Don't follow TikTok trader. I'm just here showing my journey, guys. You guys can do whatever you want. Oh, actually, I still have the order. I never even took it off. So it's still here. We'll just leave it there for EJ. How do you decide what couple? I always trade NASDAQ. Trade the same thing. Whatever pair has the nicest setup. In terms of rejecting, it's not really rejecting off anything here. There's nothing there. A very difficult price action. Your thoughts on NQ? Will probably go lower. If I had to guess, it would probably go lower. Towards all these lows here. And it was just, we were just at the wrong bias, you know? 8:30 manipulated up, took the buy side, 9:30 continues. Just had the wrong bias today. That's okay. That is okay. I told you. Bro, NQ gets worse and worse every day until end of the year. NQ is pretty bad in December. It gets harder and harder. Definitely true. Definitely true. What about EJ? Yep, I'm still down for the EJ trade. Still down for the EJ trade. You still think EF takes equal highs? It could. You know, it definitely could. You trade gold? Not really, rarely. Which CFD firm? I use Funded by Traders. My homie's the owner. He's a really good guy. I like his firm. They have good executions. Good. They're probably like one of the cheapest firms too right now, to be honest. So the spread on indices, they're practically none, bro. The spread's actually really good on NAS 100. The spread's really good with these guys. Gatie, when you backtest, how do you do it? Do you just go back and give yes, look for securities, and you know the certain time, go back, 1 minute, go far. It depends what I'm backtesting. You think we got stop hunted? They didn't even take out any lows. I mean, they did, but I still think it'll go lower, bro. When are you looking to go short? If I had to go short, bro, I'd just go short right now, dead ass. But I wouldn't go short. But this fair value gap, yeah. Fair value gap, equal lows. Inversion. Trade US 30. Never backtested US 30, so thoughts on TJR's new future firm he just came out with. He's gonna make a lot of money off it. That's my only thought. Make a lot of money with those. Is it time for long? So this is the funded. We're down. We're still down. We haven't been able to bounce back. But I believe I believe I can fly. Doo-doo. I believe I can touch the sky. Think about it every night and day. I'm just journaling. I'll show you guys the journal after. What time was the second trade? Get me some fundeds. I don't know about that one. Where's the executions? Oh, we're on the wrong. We got in at 10:12. Got out at 10:40. It says I never really hit the stop loss, right? Our stop loss was here. Turn off the machine and go home. Eknis, best broker. Talking about the funded trader? I don't know. Whatever TGR's new firm is. Oh wait, my firm for CFD? No, I use funded by traders. Funded by traders. Funded by traders. FBT. It's Sam's. I don't know if you're in the Discord, but that's Sam's Discord. I mean, that's Sam's prop firm. Sam's prop firm. I really like it. It's really good. 10, 12. Look, we never got stopped out, but we did. Stupid. Let's see if it would have ever hit stop loss. This was like the original trade. How to learn how to trade futures? I would look at ICT mentorship. It's not showing up. This is it right here. And they're doing Sam's working on a new website and everything too. It's gonna be really sick, bro. It's gonna be really sick. I'll send a link in general if you want. We have a pretty good discount right now, so if you're gonna do it, try to get the discount. I think it's like 30% or 20%. I think it's 30%. Your price action US 30. Yeah, see, this is what we expected to happen. On US 30, it happened. So we got the inversion. That's where we entered. That's TP 1. Where's previous day high? Oh, that's previous day high? Oh, no, still high. How quick are payouts? 24 hours, bro. They'd be paying on your ass. 24 hours. PayPal, I think. Crypto, Bankwire. How to learn trade video? Yeah, you gotta watch ICT. Topstep pays quick. My Topstep payouts came in like I messed up the paperwork, so it took some time. It took me like a week. But so that I messed up the paperwork. If you don't mess up the paperwork, it'll be like 24 hours, bro. Daddy, you only realized what you did wrong? I didn't do nothing wrong today. Followed all the rules. I would do it again. No matter the amount. No matter the amount, bro. They got... I don't know if I'm allowed to say. But no matter the amount, bro. You still in? Nope. We got stopped. Oh, yeah. Only after Koala. How could we short the gold today after CPI? Let's see what happened in gold today. Same thing as NASDAQ. That's your CPI. This fair value gap looks good. So we came into mean threshold of the order block. Actually, it wasn't even an order block. You would have had to wait. This is tough. We took out the buy side, the minor buy side. Fair value gap. You could have shorted that. Say you waited till 9:30 open, which is what I would have done. You just got to look for a retracement. Yeah, this is tough. Silver bullet. I mean, you have a silver bullet fair value gap. I think the 2-minute might be clean. Hold on. It's tough. I mean, there's ways to get in, but it's tough. Like, there's fair value gaps you could have taken. You would have had to have a deep stop loss. Your 10 a.m. fair value gap's right here. I wouldn't take that, though. It's too far low. Hard to get in. Looks like the best entry would have been turtle soup if you trade turtle soup. If you don't trade turtle soup, then, you know, you just go to the 50-minute time frame, mark the wick, and wait for a rejection. 75% fair value gap right there. That's about as good as it gets, bro, if I'm being honest. RC says, I don't understand the rule. Give me 1 sec. I'll explain it to you. Someone said, I don't understand. I don't understand the 50% rule with them. After the 5 days, how much can you withdraw? You can withdraw 50% of your profits max. Took the same trade and caught a W. Nice, bro. You're going long after the sweep? After liquidity sweep, how many should we take it? Yes, if you're bullish in the direction of the fair value gap, then yes. You withdraw 2K. If you made 4K, then you can withdraw 2K. You can only withdraw half. So whatever is half. That's the max. That's the max. Once you accumulate 30 winning days, then you can withdraw whenever. You pay 30% tax on every payout. Sounds about right. Yeah, I got the limit order in, bro. We're gonna do it. We did take out some sell side, but still bearish. Daily fair value gap. I think it's just a retracement. It's OTE. 1 hour fair value gap. You could wait for like a 5-minute confirmation if you want to day trade it, but I'm just gonna enter off the hourly and hold it. So hopefully we can win one trade, bro. Cause it's been tough. I ain't even gonna lie. I ain't even gonna lie to you guys. It's been tough for your boy. It's been tough. Just make sure my limit is good and everything. Wait, we have double stacked hourly fair. Oh, that's the 30-minute. Yep, we'll go for the hourly fair value gap there. But you know what? I might go for the hourly rebalance. Did you pass any of your prop firms? I passed 3. We're funded. We're funded. Just every time we get funded, we get struggled. But the thing is, we're not even struggling. It's just I don't know. It's been tough markets for me at least. Yeah, but I don't have a problem getting funded. I don't remember the last time I blew an eval account. Yeah, you can trade futures in London session. You're short right now in the unicorn. If I get 54, I can take out 2K and not liquidate. Exactly. You'll have 2K left to work with. Exactly, RC. That's basically what the plan, you know? What's the difference? Yeah, we'll do it like that. All right, that'll do. That'll do. I lose so many Forex accounts. Futures is better. Yeah, I agree. Futures is better. I traded the gold market maker sell. Look in the Discord. That is a nice sell. We don't break here. We get along. New bunch of lows. I mean, it's very choppy, man. Let's keep journaling. 1012 to 1040, I guess we'll say. Even though technically, actually no, I'll say when I got stopped out. I got stopped out at the low here. 1022, 1022. Net P&L was minus 350, so minus 1. The first shade was minus 170, so if we lost minus 350, 30, 180. Yeah, it's 180. Yo, Gangalang. If I said I'm still bullish, would that be crazy? Yeah, I think so. Why don't we all start a challenge $100 to $10,000? I mean, yo, you can do it. I think you can probably do better with a prop firm though. For London session, I would just trade like maybe Euro futures, bro. To be honest, Euro futures, like Forex futures, you know. If not, then just trade Nasdaq. You can find trades in London session all the time. Look, I'll find one for you right now. Mind you, this is wrong. This is 1 a.m. So let's go to 2 a.m. Well, let's just say you traded it here. You say you're looking at the price action here. Why isn't it showing? Right here. You got your breaker, unicorn, standard deviate this, retracement into a 50-minute fair value gap, I'm guessing. Why is it looking so weird though? Why is it? Oh, it's the wrong day. I was gonna say, like, where is it? But yeah, 50-minute fair value gap. You can see the reversal, retracement, 50-minute fair value gap. You go long there, target Asia highs, and then you leave a runner for something, which would have hit in London. You probably would have broke even though. Yeah, once you're funded, the account starts with 0. Timing is hard. Yeah, timing is hard, bro. I feel you. I used to trade in school as well. We got to win the next trade, guys. We got to win the next couple of trades. Otherwise, we're going to blow the accounts. That's a good idea, Koala. So I guess we did break one rule, the risk management. We risked too much on the second trade by accident. I miscalculated. We risked an extra $20 than we were supposed to. And then that's why we got stopped out when we weren't supposed to. Because stop loss was here. I shouldn't have been stopped. But that was a mistake, I guess. Not a big one, though. We took the inversion market. We tried to get the smart money reversal. Paired with daily power 3 anti-bullet, but we were wrong. It chopped the entire time after our entry. Go. IMO. So I'm just journaling. Just journaling. Account balance is cooked. We got to win the next couple of trades, or we're going to blow the accounts. The good news is, I have a lot of changes to be made, so that's good. See, so we hit minus 350, which is my max loss for per day, but it never actually hit the stop loss. You didn't ask me a question. I would just do the driver's license, bro. This is absolute gambling. Zero confluence. Sure, bro. Minus 1340. Minus 1340. Gotta put that in the journal. 1340. And then we'll put the aftermath chart afterwards. What confluences do you trade off then? I have my whole model, bro. I can't tell you my whole model. It's gonna take way too long. My model is long. I'm very like pinpointed detail, so like every single step is outlined in my model. Any trading that technically gambling takes 5 seconds. Fair value gap, bro. That's one of them. Last trade I took was the sell side sweep, and then the inverse at the macro. What's the max you made in one trade? The most I've ever made is 2K. Straight chop. I mean, we entered here. It wasn't choppy when I entered. I'm gonna take off afternoons. Take care, Cookie. Cookie is funny as fuck. This is when we entered the trade. So took another 2 losses, bro. Something this week was so bad. Same, bro. 2 losses on the week, or I guess 3 now, if you count this one, which it was a loss. Take care, Ryan. Take care, Ryan. You're Ryan. DM me, bro. We'll talk, bro. Last trade I took, I just told you, bro. I'm gonna say it one more time. We swept the liquidity down here. Had an inverse fair value gap inside the macro, 10-10. Inversion happened at 10-09. We market bought the inversion. This is the last one, bro. This is the same trade. I added a position here. Nah, this is the same trade, bro. This guy's, bro, it's the same trade. Can't you see buy, and then sell? So we added, reduced risk, and then added. Any winners? Nah, bro. No winners. Still getting cooked. Still getting cooked. Now you have a question. When you funding request your first payout, does the max drawdown get reset? So if you request a payout below the buffer, it gets set to 0. So as soon as you request payouts, it'll get set to 0. So if you're at 1,000 and you take a $500 payout, you only have 500 left. But if you get to 2,500, or if you get to 4,000, you take out 2,000, then you have 2,000 left, you know? So as soon as you take a payout with Top Step, you're, we took 2 losses today, bro. 2 losses. Does that make sense, Jose? That's how the Top Step payout. I think that's how it works for all prop firms, but for Top Step, for sure, that's how it works. Yeah, SPA is tough. Look at 850. You have a broker? Me too, Michael. Me too, bro. What's your opinion on Apex? Apex is my 3rd favorite. Look at ES. We tapped right into the fair value gap. Inversion, fair value gap. Breaker. We fell short of the breaker, but it's there. Yeah, that is clean, bro. Did you win or lose today? 2 losses today, brother. 2 losses. The loss streak continues, bro. The loss streak continues. It is what it is. We followed the rules, though. That's all that matters. So how much can you lose if you start from 0 again? What do you mean? Do I know why I lost? The first trade, yes, I didn't have any displacement. Do I have a broker? Bro, what does that mean, do I have a broker? Do I own a brokerage firm? No, bruh. What's that? What does that mean, bro? What's the journal app? It's called Notion. It's free. Notion's free. I would just use it. It's really nice. Yeah, I don't like the Apex rules. What's good, Reeks? What's good with me? Nothing, bro. Except we're following the rules, which is good. So can't complain. Can't complain if you follow the rules. How's stream been? Stream's been busting. But yeah, you're right. That's why I put it at number 3. W rule follower. I'm a full-time rule follower, I guess. So why did I lose? The first trade we took. So ES was the weaker asset. So I mean, NQ was the weakest. We had an SMT that looked like this at the 950 macro. So I was thinking if we got an inversion on NQ, right? NQ gave us this inversion. And it looked like it was going to form a BPR as well. So I took this market buy because if ES is giving an inversion and it's the weaker asset, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I did break a rule. Oh, yeah. I understand what I did wrong here on this one. ES is supposed to give the inversion, not NQ. So that was a rule break. I didn't even realize. I didn't even realize. I would have not even been able to journal that. We did break a rule. So this first trade was a rule break. I shouldn't have taken this first trade. Rule break. NQ gave an inversion, but it strictly says in my rules, and I'll show you guys. It specifically says, look at this. If the stronger asset does not give a long setup, do not trade it. It says it right there, and I broke that rule. NQ is the weaker asset, so it shouldn't be giving the setup. ES should be giving the setup. ES at this time, 950, did not give an inversion. Now we must go into the journal and say that we broke a rule. Can you share that Google Drive? It's in my Discord and it's in my YouTube. I'm posting the videos as they come out. It's my personal trading system. So take what you will from it. It's just all my learnings. And I still have a lot of to it. Look, all these journal trades, these are all changes, slight changes I need to make. So just know that it's not perfect yet. Rule break. Entry model protocol. We broke a rule. It's in my Discord, yeah. I literally added this rule, prevent losses, and it would have prevented a loss this time. So yeah, first one was a rule break. The second one was a fine trade. I pretty much broke even. It was only like a 15-point stop, so not bad. We'd still be in the trade. So this was the original trade, right? This was the original trade. So the original trade, we haven't been stopped out yet. we're still technically in the original trade, but I just ended up reducing my stop because it was choppy. It gave me like a logical point to reduce stop. So this was the trade here. So I reduced my stop loss to here. Sorry, over here. So we got stopped out for like, it was like 5 points, bro. Like we got stopped out for like 5 points. So it would have been like insignificant. Oh no, I'll take a trade whenever. It's in YouTube. YouTube explains. So I have the document, but YouTube will explain the document, because just having the rules is not good enough. You need to understand what I'm doing. I mean, you don't have to trade like me. It's just for people who, for some reason, if they want to have a similar system or they like the way I organize my stuff, you want to take some inspiration, right? Go for it. Yes, sir. Thanks. I'll reduce my account on the next payout cycle because the back shot on is 60%. Wait, so I'm confused. What are you asking? Oh, because the payout's coming next payout cycle because the back shot on is 60. Yeah, so it'll get set to 0. Did you wait for the data load before taking long? Before I took before you? Right here. Yeah, we took data lows. So the setup was there. We took the data lows. We had an inversion, but I have a rule that says, like, I don't care that NQ gave an inversion here. NQ is weaker. So if NQ is giving a setup, to me, that's almost fake. It should be ES. ES should be the one that's giving an inversion here at 948. Go to 948 on ES. There's no inversion. We failed to inverse. So right there, wait, sorry, wrong time. 951. So right here, we failed to inverse on ES. We wicked. Why don't you take before the data low? Why didn't I take a trade before data lows? I thought it was gonna go to data lows, so I was gonna at least wait for data lows, at least, We had SMT at data lows, so I thought it was a good trade. What are you looking for now? Now nothing. We're just reviewing our trade. I mean, what would I think is gonna happen? Probably go lower if I had to guess. But it's literally 50-50. I should have traded 2 data lows. Fair assumption, but there was no model that formed. Maybe if we took out some buy side, like I can't trust this fair value gap. I can't trust this inversion. Actually, this inversion is not bad, but make a new model. I could make a model for first presentation. But like, what would that model look like? I think it's gonna go somewhere. So if I see are you a retail trader? I'm not a institutional trader. I'm not a bank trader, but I trade ICT. So if you call so much right, I know we do call so much right. Richard's making a really good point. Yeah, I think about it all the time. We call so much right, we just don't get into trade. Driver's license is $2,000 in US. Yeah, I mean in Euro. Yes. Are you profitable? Depends. What's your thing? What's your definition? I've only had 3 payouts. It's been months before I've had my last payout. We're on a losing streak right now. So right now I'm not profitable. You trading today? We already took 2 losses. 1 loss here and then 1 small loss here. Data trade today had your model up high. We are all retail traders. I don't know about you guys, but I work for the banks. I just trade from home. Do you invest in coins? Nah, not personally. Doesn't make sense to. When you can get a funded account for $50, just get the funded account. I feel like everyone's in a losing streak. Is it? I feel like it's just me, bro. I feel like it's just me. Do you want 2100? It's possible. I would assume lower, but I wouldn't even try to predict this. Yo, let me show you guys something. Maybe you guys will laugh. Every time I enter the market, look at this. Look at this chop. right when we enter. Look at this. Let's time this chop. It's been 1 hour of straight chop. All right. Let's compare that to now. When I entered, it wasn't choppy. Don't tell me, oh, I'm entering a choppy. Does this look choppy to you? This looks like a fucking reversal. Or a mentor, or I'm ignorant. I mean, we're all retail. We're all retail traders at the end of the day. But the idea is to trade through the perspective of smart money, you know? All right, now look at this loss. Sorry. Let me show you what it actually looks like. We enter. We had like almost an hour of consolidation again. Look here. We enter. It wasn't choppy over here, bruh. It wasn't choppy when we entered. We got a nice break, displacement, inversion, bearish fair value gap, and then we chop for like an hour again. Let's look at this one. Okay, this one was no. What happened here? Oh, this one we were just wrong. But I caught a win here, so it's fine. You trade full time? I mean, I do it every day. Is that what you're asking? I'm profitable. I've been on a losing streak for 8 months. Huh? Damn, bro. What's your trading plan? I can't tell you my whole trading plan, but max loss for me on the funded account is minus 350. Can't lose more than minus 350. Max risk is 200 per trade. So I risk 200 on the first trade, 100 on the second trade. That's it. That's my rules. Number of trades. Usually it's 2 max. Is trading your main source of income? Definitely not. Definitely not. I've only ever had 3 payouts, and they were a couple months ago. So, what are your account sizes? I have 3 50K funded accounts right now, and 1 50K eval. Which, by the way, we can trade this eval. I mean, there's nothing to trade here. What are we on at the eval? 49.1. So we have 1.5K more. Why is it saying I'm inactive? I'm not inactive, bro. Gold going down. Oh, see, rejecting off the lower hourly. Might short this on Euro J and just hold the stop loss. Yeah, let's do it. What is your streak loss? I don't know. Let's see. Really bad. Usually we average around 60 to 70%. What would you recommend me to risk on a 100K? I'd recommend $300 per trade, brother. Max. Loss, win, loss, break even, loss, win, loss, win, loss. That's, oh, there's more. Hold on, let me restart. So break even, loss, break even, loss, win, loss, win, loss, win, loss, win, loss, break even, loss, small loss, win, small loss, loss. Damn! Someone said, damn. Yeah, it's just bad. This is bad. Is this the worst it's ever been? I mean, I don't even know, actually. I think May might have been worse, bro. But yeah. You know what's funny, though? Let me tell you guys what's funny. Can you pull up stats for old prop firm accounts or no? Hold on. Let me show you guys something crazy real quick. What? Let me show you guys. For everyone who just saw that streak, let me show you guys how I trade on the eval. You guys are going to laugh, bro. I did so... Like, I peaked. Like, I was peaking. Look at this, bro. Oh, it went down so much. We averaged a 3.6 risk to reward. We won 55% of trades with 3.6. Average losing trade was 45. Average winning trade was 165. Keep in mind there's wait, is this even the right one? Keep in mind there's like partials and stuff, which is why this number is so low. On the bright side, we have 4 winning days. We have 3 accounts right now. What app can you use to record trading? I would just use OBS Studio. Like, we're averaging on the eval, we average 4 risk to reward. That's crazy, bro. 4 risk to reward. We won 72% of days. I did 18 days, so it's not like, oh, we just went on like 7 out of 10. Like, we did really good consistently, you know? Average 4 risk to reward, 56% win rate, 72% winning day. We were killing it, bro. We were killing it. For real, for real. Does it give you more information, or is that it? Did I ever trade ES? Oh, that's all I traded. This is all the information they give you? Like, look how good we were. And I wasn't like full porting or anything. We followed all the rules and we went perfect. And then we went to the funded. What's the stats on the funded? Oh, this is gonna be bad. Why isn't it showing? Just top step. Yeah, I use top step back. Would you recommend trading options? Sure, options is not bad. I'd recommend futures more, but people make money with. Why isn't it showing? Look, this is the funded. It's like the same thing, but the opposite. It's like we need a smart money reversal right here, guys. We need to take out this liquidity right here, which I think we hit it today. We took out the liquidity, and now we need a smart money reversals. Do you show payouts live statement? And yeah, if you want to see, I can show you. We're averaging 1R. Is this the Bitcoin chart? I wish it was. This is my. We're downtrending, bruh. How is my winning day 37? That can't be true. Wait, winning day's 37? I should be profitable with a winning day 37. Yeah, something's not right. I mean, I might be. Wait, no, this can't be right. There's no way I'm winning 37%. It should be way less. It should be less. My win rate should be less. 40% of trades are. Wait, is this the right account? How's that possible? Inverse the chart. Listen, all I'm saying is we need a smart money reversal right here. I just took out this liquidity. We hit that shit today. All right, we look minus 160. Today we're gonna be like over here. We just hit OTE of this range. Hold on, I need to draw this shit out. Y'all think I'm playing? Let me tell you guys what's up. Yeah, it makes sense 1-to-1, but that's what I'm saying. Why is it 1-to-1? No trade I've won should have been less than 1-to-1. So it means the fact I'm reducing my risk on the second trade is messing me up. Am I often winning my second trade? Let's see. Trade 2 loss, trade 2 loss, trade 3 loss, trade 2 loss, trade 2 loss, trade 2 loss, trade 2 win, trade 2 win, trade 2 break even, trade 2 break even, trade 2 win. Interesting. Yeah, it is super bad. You're right, bro. 100%. I'm just trying to figure out why it's 1-to-1 though. It's because I'm reducing my risk on the second trade. That's interesting. Maybe I should just start risking 150 every single trade. That's probably better, huh? I think that might be better than 200 and 100. I'm gonna put that in the note because why would you reduce risk? No, not reduce risk. Reduce risk on the first trade, increase risk on the second trade. What's the max daily loss? There is no max daily loss on Top Step. I believe you should take a pause and think what works for you. I know exactly what works for me, bro. It's all optional based on how you like to trade. No. Listen. What I'm trying to tell you guys, if this number was 2 risk to reward, it's 1,000. For other prop firms, yeah, but Top Step doesn't have one. Hear me out, guys. Hear me out. Shit, I haven't looked at YouTube in so long. That looks like my September, yeah. On the first and 150 on the second. I think I'm gonna do 150 for both. Cause listen, if I lost the same amount on every trade, and this number should be 2. Cause look, Look at all my wins. They're all above 2. All my wins are above 2R, right? The only reason this says 1 is because I'm risking less on the second trade. I see this is 300, 284, 250. See, they're 2R because I'm risking 100. So this is 3R. That's 2.5R. That's a 3R win. That's a 4R win. That's a 3R win. Average, usually on average, like, and this on these accounts are on average of like my last, all my data. So we need to put that. That's a big thing. I'm gonna put that in the note. Yeah, 33% win rate. Oh, we have 1, 2, 1R. It shouldn't be like that. It should be 1R. In data, I usually average like 60. Like 60 is my average. Like some month it was like 80. Some months it was like 40. In backtest, I didn't have any losing months. The last backtest, it was like break even at worst. Maybe like 1 or 2 trades minus. No, that's definitely not profitable, Jake. That's a joke, right? So I think, listen, this is very, very, very important. This is a really good thing that we check this out because we need to make sure we're risking the same amount on every trade. That's very interesting. Very, very interesting. Nice heart. That's really good, bro. I bet it's fake. How many trades? What's your win rate? Right now, it's awful, bro. Right now, it's 39. But I mean, usually this is what I average. I'll show you guys. Usually this is what I average. Usually I average around 72% winning days because I take 2 trades. Win rate around 50. So 40 to 70 is my average. That's for a trade though. But we also average like 3R plus, really. Like most of my trades are more than 3R. So for example, let's let it load. Oh, sorry, wrong account. No, I wouldn't do 1. I wouldn't do 1. 2 is my number. Like, see here we average. Sorry, wrong one again. You had 1 loss, so your win rate go up. Like, see here we average 4 risk to reward, 56% win rate. 4R, 56% win rate, and then on the day we win 72% of days. This is a little bit above average, if I'm going to be honest. Usually this number is around 3, not 4. Exactly, T. Smith. But here's what I'm saying. According to these numbers, we should be break even right now. 33% win rate for me. If I'm averaging 2 risk to reward, I should be break even. Wait, can TikTok see my stream? Oh. We should be break even. We shouldn't be in drawdown. But because we're risking less, like how are we averaging 1 risk to reward? All my trades are above 2R. Doesn't make sense. Maybe the stats are inaccurate. Let me look at Top Step X. That's 1 risk to reward. 37. It's not wrong. Like, see, we should be break even. Now commissions are like so minuscule. It's just because the risk to reward. This was bad. This one hurt. This one hurt today, boys. We broke a rule today and we didn't even realize. Interesting. Oh, wait, there is one thing that it could be that's giving us false information. Hold on. Let me double check. Did we set it to last 30 days? The larger the sample, the truer the win rate. I mean, my sample is over 1,000 trades, so this and last week were not the best for me too. Bro, extend that to like 1 month. The last month has like not been. What happened to that NASDAQ long? Is it still going? It still hasn't hit our hypothetical stop loss. In fact, we're almost at TP1. So who knows? Over 1K? Oh, that's just from my model, bro. But you want to talk about how much I've back tested, bro? Bro, I'm at the point, guys. I'm not joking, you guys. I'm literally at the point where, like, if I go to backtest and I start looking at the dates, I'll literally like remember what's gonna happen, bro. Like, I'll literally know. Like, I can't even backtest 2023 anymore or 2022 because I'll go back and I'll be like, oh shit, this January 6th, I know what's gonna happen, bro. Like, I can't. I literally know what's gonna happen. What the hell do you do? You know? I guess you go even more back. Oh, 100%, bro. I fucking dream about this fucking candle shit. So much backtests. Um, but I think I can understand maybe what went wrong here. This is last 10 days. Go all time, this number should be lower. No? Still? Wait, what? I don't know. This is very insightful information right now that I'm getting. Very insightful. Very insightful information. You know what? You know what I should low-key do? I should try to get, like, for those of you who are funded, yeah, this is trash, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. We're in hella drawdown right now. Yeah, I would take one on the eval maybe, but let's do something. Take second trading day and third week. No, I'd have to see the candles. Sorry, but I'm okay. I don't have a photographic memory. I just meant like when I see like some of them I remember, bro. Like I think 2023 January, it just kept dumping. There was like a couple entries right at the beginning. Like I remember it in like pieces. I don't have like a photographic memory. January 3rd, 14, 8 o'clock. What happened? I have no idea, bro. But if I start seeing them, like I'm starting to get biased because I'm like, wait, I'm pretty sure it went down here. I've heard about that, but I'm not interested. Next video. Next video is going to be, I think, TGIF. Just kidding. Check your results on them. Are you asking me? That's like such a waste of my time, bro. Bitcoin's at 100? No way. What's that 93? What a liar, bro. Oh, people in chat. Yeah, I would say like if you trade ICT, honestly, like 20 to 50 trades. First trade was an inversion. First trade we broke a rule. First trade we broke a rule. This was when am I gonna upload it? I'm gonna try for this weekend, Nalish. I'm gonna try for this weekend. Or I might post a trade recap on the Euro trade that we took instead. Yeah, this is a rule break for me. If you took this inversion, that's a rule break for me. Or prop firm, Top Step, and my fund of futures. Can we see your account progress? Yeah, I mean, I just spent like the last hour talking about it, but sure, we can go over it again. This was my journal. It's in my Discord. You can see what was the rule. I have a very strict rule, and I didn't realize I broke it. I thought it was the inverse, but I was wrong. Yeah, we took 2 trades today. The rule is very simple. And honestly, Cyber, if you took this trade, you might want to add this rule. Oh shit, Koala, you're nuts, bro. You might want to add this rule. The rule is no, the rules are in my trading book. They're in my trading book in Discord. Yeah, you'll see my model. So you see how you get an inversion fair value gap here, right? And I know you probably saw this SMT, right? It's a relative strength rule. For anyone who could possibly see this as an entry, listen to this. Nasdaq gave an inversion. Yeah, Discord's free. I don't charge anything. The book is currently up to date completely. It's not letting me go to Discord when I click it. Yes, I know it's bugged. Go to my YouTube or Instagram and it'll be there. I don't know why the link just doesn't work on TikTok. It's the same link on every social media. It just doesn't work. Or I can send you a link in the chat, but I don't even know if that works. Nah, no Telegram. If anyone sees this as a potential trade, listen, because I can speak on this for like hundreds and hundreds of trades. Hundreds and hundreds of lost trades. This is an inversion. So if anyone saw this, it was like, this might go up, or I might take this. Maybe you did take it. SMT inversion, right? NASDAQ is the weaker asset. NASDAQ is weaker. ES in this case is stronger. So if ES is stronger, go to the exact same time, 951. Look at it. 951 on ES. Did we get an inversion on ES? No, we didn't. It failed. It's weak. ES should not be showing weakness. It's stronger than NASDAQ. That's a red flag. No trade. What is ES? ES is the S&P 500. So they're correlated. They should move together in tandem. So if NASDAQ's giving an inversion, so NASDAQ's giving a long setup here, right? You say, oh, inversion, whatever. But it's weak. We got the S&T. It's weaker on this case. I don't care about confirmation on both. I care for confirmation on the stronger one in this case. So NASDAQ's weaker. I don't care if NASDAQ gives me a setup. It's already weaker. This is fake. However, if ES gave a setup, it's valid, right? Because ideally, in this case, ES should be leading. If it's going to go up, if price is going to go up, the S&P should be leading NASDAQ. So it shouldn't be vice versa. So if you see NASDAQ ES going down, then NQ is also going to go down. So hope that makes sense. That's my rule. Stronger asset. How much for each contract? You need margin. You trade with margin. So it's like 100 for one micro and 50 for one micro ES. Yeah, high resistance day indeed. Very, very choppy. But it looks like our TP is going to be hit eventually. Again, right about being the trade, but we're not able to capitalize. This was our first TP, so. No, it's not like that. It's kind of per base. Best ICT mentorship depends what you're trading and your trade style. Yeah, show me your trade, Quala. Any tool to calculate? I just do it manually, bro. Like I just do this, and I just see like how much can I do, and then when the stop loss says good number, that's what I do. If you trade futures, I would watch 2022 then 2024. ES is not usually head. It just kind of depends on the market at the current time. You use SMT to determine. Like if Nasdaq's trading lower, so look, Nasdaq went all the way down here. ES didn't. It's still SMT, you know. Like this is still SMT, by the way. We hit the rejection block here. We didn't hit the rejection block here. That's SMT still. So ES is still stronger. So it looks like we were right about the longs after all. But unfortunately, it stopped us out on the way there. Yet again. That would be 5 out of 5 days now. 5 out of 5 days. Yeah, usually just AM session. It's bullish after all. Yeah. Very typical. Usually we're right about where it's going to go. I'll put that in the journal after. What is your strategy? I have a full system, so it's hard to explain. I basically look to capture the bulk of the move of the New York AM session, and that's what I'm looking to do. To catch some of the move in New York, whether I catch the reversal or the continuation. The Qualis trade. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. I mean, yo, you're racking up the accounts. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. You're breaking every single rule doing it. But shit, I mean, take the payout, bro. Take the payout. Appreciate you for the sub, brother. So far, have you made over 50K in trading? No, hell no, bro. I've made 3 payouts with Top Step, and I made some money with stocks. That's it. We got a long way to go, you know? We haven't even hit the 1 year mark since our first funded account, bro. You know? So I think we're doing pretty good. 3 payouts. It's not bad, you know? I can't lie. Sometimes it's demoralizing, you know? Sometimes you're like, you know, I got 3 payouts. Now I'm struggling. But I know I'm improving, even though. Look at the comment upside down. Sorry, can't do that, bro. I tried. Trading since February, had 4 fundeds. Nice, bro. But blew all of them? I know. What do you think about Peanut? I got it. I don't know what that is, bro. I don't trade meme coins. We're gentlemen traders over here. Blew 7 fundeds before I got funded. You blew 7 fundeds before you got funded? You got your first payout in October and since it's been downhill? Bro, that was last month, bro. How much money did you made off Forex? I don't trade Forex. Well, we caught a really nice trade the other day, but then we lost it all taking another trade. So I'm in this trade right now. Risk reward is not good, but to be honest, I don't really care. I'm trying to get this Forex account out. 1.75. Oh, wait. 1.82. 1.82. So we'll see. I just recently started Forex prop firms as well, so. Well, I built the capital during August, September. Are you in a trade for Euro JBP, Euro JPY? Yes. Islam bro just made 13K and was tripping balls right now about losing 400 of my 50K. Just somewhat have high expectation on this niche if you can manage it, which I know you are practicing. You're right, YBK. You're right. You know, I'm currently on my first ever funded. I'm confident I'll pass it first try. I hope you do too, bro. Success will be inevitable. Yes, it will be, brother. Take your time. You're right. Everyone's on their own journey. Yo, something that really helps me, guys, is listen to this. All you need to do is figure out the best rules for you. That's literally it. There's nothing else you can do. There's nothing else you can't do more than that. That's the max. That's the max you can do. Is figure out the rules that work for you. You can't do more than that in trading. That's the most work you can put in. So do whatever it takes. Take trades, backtest, forward test, journal. Do everything you do to figure out which rules are best for you. And eventually, you're going to have the rules that work. Because you can't control the market. You can't. The one thing you can control are the rules that you make and whether or not you follow them. Those are the only 2 things. So, lock in, boys. Make some good rules. Follow them. Right? Yo, funded by traders, bro. Like I know I'm friends with the guy and we're partnered, but we're partnered for a reason, bro. Like he's a really good prop firm. He's a really good guy. His executions and spreads are really good. Can you speak on Doge? I don't really invest in meme coins, but if you want me to give you an ICT analysis, bro, like I'm bullish until proven otherwise, you know? There's no reason to think this is gonna go down. Same with Bitcoin, same with anything at all-time high. There's no reason to be like, yeah, it's gonna go down. There's no reason yet. Nothing tells me it's gonna go down. You gotta wait. You know? It could go down right now. There's no way to know. Not for me at least. Would it be reasonable to invest at 0.4? Where it is, I think I'll hit $1. I mean, I wouldn't. I'm using TopStep, MyFunded Futures, and TradingView. If someone told me, yo, Gatie, you have to enter a trade on Dogecoin, I would wait for like this or something, bro. Like if I had to, like I would wait for the week or I would look for a day trade. I wouldn't try to enter long term now. I would wait for like this or so. I would do something like this, bro. Like we took 2 trades today, both losses. Since then, we've just been reviewing the journal, reviewing the percentages on the account and stuff. How do you connect multiple trading combines? So if you use TopStep X, it's automatic. If you use anything else like Apex or MyFunded Futures, you have to get a trade copier. Can you do a quick review? Yeah, they're both losses, but I'll review the trades. And so someone said, what do you use? I use TopStep, so TopStep prop firm. I use MyFunded Futures prop firm, and I use TradingView, which is what you're seeing now. This charting, and I use funded by traders. I should include that. Yeah, 2 trades max for me. I don't do more. I might actually get in a long here. Great, the fire alarm's up. Being close to the buy side level. I'll just type it in chat. I'll do a trade review right now. Give me 1 sec. We still have this eval that we kind of need to work on, so. There a 5-minute fair value gap there? If we get an inversion, maybe I'll go long on the my funded futures account. Hell nah, bro. You don't want a long? Kind of do though. Equal highs here, 930 high. If you get an inversion, maybe. Or if we take the sell side here, get SMT. 1150 macro. Is that in US? It works all around the world. There's like some countries that are excluded, but it works everywhere. Funded by traders works everywhere. TradingView works everywhere. The other two, there's some that don't work. Let's see. We take out the sell side maybe, and it's pretty late. Yeah, fuck it. We'll just look for a trade tomorrow. Okay, we'll do a trade review, and then gonna go make some more breakfast. Yeah, I'll just come back tomorrow. I don't want to sit here and wait for the macro. It's already 11:40. It's already late. Usually I stop stream at 11:10. Invalidate long card optimal. Yeah, I wouldn't. It's not even in my trading window. I just want to get this my funded futures account ported. We have 1.5K to work with, so we'll take 3 trades worth 500. See if we can pass. Just full porting the account. Or I'm more half port. Anyway, let's do a quick trade review. So, first trade, we broke a rule. The reason we broke a rule, we had an SMT here, inversion, so it looks nice. The reason this is a rule break and this SMT is not valid, this is not a real inversion, is because ES at the time did not inverse. Now, normally I would not care, but because ES is the stronger asset, so ES looks like this, right? ES has a higher high. ES should be inversing this setup, right? ES should be inversing no problem. It shouldn't be NASDAQ the one, so it's fake. NASDAQ should be following ES, right? Because ES is a stronger asset. So this was a rule break, bad trade. The second trade, we pretty much just broke even on the second trade. Not much happened. We entered off the inversion, and it ended up rallying, but we pretty much broke even. We entered on this fair value gap. This was the trade. Technically, it's still valid, but we just trailed the stop here and broke even for like 4 points. So second trade, not much happened. It looks like we wouldn't have TP'd. Maybe in hindsight would have taken something here, 2R, but that's super hindsight. Yep, EJ is valid, bro. Who should follow who? In this specific instance, NASDAQ should follow ES because we're looking for longs. So that's step 1. We're looking for longs. And then step 2. So if you're looking for longs, figure out which one's stronger. Sometimes they'll be exactly the same. Sometimes one will be stronger. In this case, ES is stronger. So if you're looking for longs and ES is stronger, NASDAQ should be following ES. ES shouldn't be showing signs of weakness. So for example, at this exact time, and I'll show you the chart, exact same time, this is ES. ES didn't give a setup here. There's no setup. ES is just going down. It doesn't look like it's going to go up. So it's not a valid setup. You have to wait for ES. So that's the mistake that I made. ES is more bullish. So at this time, NASDAQ was trading all the way down here. So NASDAQ's way more bearish. It's all the way down here. ES is way stronger. ES is still 8 points ahead. So ES should be going up, not NASDAQ. The fact that ES didn't go up here, and you can see it made another low, and that's why we got stopped out so quick. And you can wait. You can wait to see if the setup forms. It just never formed. It came up, but it never gave the inversion. Never gave the inversion. So just no trade. And then it failed. So if anything, that's a really good short, to be honest. That would have been a really good short. People asking about crypto, but yeah, I wouldn't buy anything now. I don't even like crypto at all. I feel like it's gambling. I can't really predict it, so don't even try. I've never tested. All my back tested trades are not with crypto. They're with futures, Nasdaq. So I don't even mess around. So man, my opinion, is it a good time to buy? It's expensive. Why do you think it's gambling in crypto? Because I feel like it can just drop at any time. Yeah, if you did. If you believed in something and you invested in it, yeah, that's one thing. That's one thing. Well, you'd have to like actually believe in it. You trade options? Nah, just futures personally, bro. Conflow is the reasoning behind your trade, but you understand your mistake. Well, the first mistake, yeah. First mistake was a rule break. I didn't know at the time, obviously. What coin is this? This is futures, brother. No crypto over here. EJ still valid? Yep, EJ already tapped in equilibrium, so we're taking that short, targeting the sell side. All right, looks like that's pretty much it. All the questions I've ruled out. If you're here, drop a like for your boy. We'll be live tomorrow, every single day. I think from now on, we're going to risk the exact same amount per trade, because if we've done that so far, we wouldn't be down right now. We'd be like break even. So how much you risk? Usually I risk 200 on the first trade, 100 on the second trade. The issue with that is I'm winning the second trade a lot more than the first right now. So what that does is it makes my risk to reward bad, you know? Because I lose 200 and then I win 200, for example. So that's one. No, we're in drawdown. Drawdown on all the accounts right now. So that's what I'm trying to say. If I were to risk the same amount every time, then I lose 200 and then I make 200. So we go nowhere. It's one risk to reward. However, if I risk 200 and then second trade risk 200 and I win, now I'm up 200. That's where traders are made. For real, Tarek. You know what's up, brother. In 5 years, bro, in 5 years, I'll be live streaming to you guys on a fucking yacht. Methods for analyzing? ICT all the way, bro. I use ICT. That's it. Liquidity, imbalance, inefficiency, time, and PD array matrix. Thoughts on TGR? I don't know. I've heard a lot of people talk shit about his mentorship. I'm sure he's a good trader. He teaches some of the ICT concepts incorrectly. I'm not sure if he's teaching them as if it was from ICT or if as if it's own. If it's his own concept, then it's 100% valid. If he's teaching it as ICT concepts, some of them are wrong, not taught the same way ICT taught it. So that's one opinion that I have that some people probably disagree with. Some of the concepts are just wrong. High frequency trading, yeah, you can scalp. It's not my favorite. ICT stands for Inner Circle Trader. He's a trader on YouTube who teaches algorithmic principles. That's what I follow. I've been trading. I've been learning for 14. I've been learning since last year, July. What's before September? August, July, August last year. I think August. Yeah, that's fine, bro. I mean, IFG is a regular fair value gap. It's the same thing. It's just been invalidated. How old are you? I'm 21, brother. Turning 22 in December. What's good? Whoa. What's good? Whoa. Whoa. W. Super W. Well, check gold, market maker sell. Yeah, I think we already saw that. We already went over that today. Did we take out the sell side? Yeah. Yeah, like I said. We said it was going to go here, but oh, it actually gave a nice entry at 10:30. Someone asked me. Yeah, got a nice retracement there, and then it dumped. Very nice mitigation, inversion, fair value gap there. That's really nice. Will Bitcoin retrace anytime soon? Am I in college? No, we graduated college, and I'm never going back. If you hate the long IC videos, watch Paul the Rule. He goes over everyone in half the time. Yeah, I can't talk about that, but we combined many strategies, just ICT, and then I made my own strategy using his teachings. Will Bitcoin retrace? It's impossible to say, bro. Not showing any signs of retracement. Are you profitable? In my entire grand scheme of things, I think so. We've made more than we've lost. Does that count? But it's been a tough couple. Like last 3 months, been tough. So no, I don't know. In backtest, yeah, 1,000 trades, 70% win rate. Yeah, we do have a gap. I mean, it'll probably go there eventually. Impossible to say when though. Yeah, any that's true, bro. Anytime you take out a low on Bitcoin, just probably another opportunity to go long. Eventually, it'll fail, but rough patches are inevitable. Yep, 100%, bro. December's gonna be tough. Yeah, December. December last year was actually not that bad. That is true, but I don't know. I'll be here. I'll be here every day. It's already been tough for me, so this is gonna be like an extra tough. Every time we enter, we just get so much consolidation. Like it's been happening every time. What do you think about TJR? He makes a lot of money from his prop firm. Makes a lot of money from crypto. I don't know if he's a good day trader or not. I've never. I don't know. I've watched some of his trade recaps, and some of the ICT concepts he uses are incorrect. Unless he's trading something he made up himself, so like a variation of an ICT concept, which is fine. Then it's not incorrect. Then I'm wrong. But if he's trading it the same way ICT taught it, then he's trading it wrong or teaching some of them wrong. If it's his own concepts, then yeah, never mind. But in terms of ICT's concepts, he's using some of them incorrectly. I'm not saying that's a bad thing. Maybe it's better. Maybe it's a good thing. But that's the only thing I can speak of. I literally entered with PDL sweep in 3 a.m. channel. Yeah, beautiful, bro. Sure, I saw those videos. He is very wrong. Yeah, I mean, it could be his own concept, though. You know, maybe he's not trying to trade like ICT. Yeah, we took 2 losses today, easy, right here. You can see the executions. So this one, we broke a rule. I shouldn't have taken this trade. I didn't know at the time, obviously. I'm not trying to break rules, but we broke a rule here. We didn't realize. And over here, it was a small loss. Wrong or right, there's no right way to trade. It's all, yeah. So it's not wrong. It's not right. It's whatever he wants. Maybe it's really good for him. He says that his concepts are ICT. Yeah, some of them are for sure. Like the fair value gap's not his. But there's some things like when he talks about liquidity and talks about like price can do this, price can do that. That's not in the perspective of smart money and ICT's teachings. You know, some of the things he says are wrong. He doesn't even mark out his swing highs correctly. So, how did you learn to trade? ICT on YouTube, all free. Same as probably everyone else here. What about MMXM? MMXM is W. Someone said ICT copy Wyckoff. No, that's just not true. Wyckoff has literally said himself that he hasn't. Don't you have a mentor? No, bro. Never had a mentor, actually. All on me on the charts. Probably 4,000. Yeah, I want to say 4,000. Probably 2,000, 3,000 back tests. Why? I don't know. I'm stubborn. I want to figure it out myself. I always feel like I can do better than someone else teaching me. I mean, ICT's your mentor. ICT's my mentor, if I'm going to be honest. Like, he's the one who taught me everything. Do you have a funded? Yeah, I have 3 funded accounts right now. 3 funded accounts right now. Trial and error all the way. Yeah, pretty much. Just learn what you learn from ICT. Why ICT lost Robin Cup while he's the best? I don't know. Ask him. Copy them all. I copy all my funded. Yeah, copy trade them all. So they're all down. They're all in drawdown. Justin Whelan is legit. Yes, Justin Whelan. The thing I like about Justin Whelan is he has his model. He knows it very well, and he follows it every time. That's what I like about Justin Whelan. How does one get out of drawdown? Same way you get into profit, bro. How much drawdown left? We have 750 left, bro. So we're gonna risk 150 per trade, which is not a good thing to do because I'd be lowering my risk, which you're not supposed to do. But we can do 150 4 times, 5 times. So we'll do it. Full force CPI. Engineering liquidity is the best. I don't know what that means. Yeah, but stick to your rules and keep trading. You know, that's the only way. The same way you would get in profit, you can get out of drawdown, bro. Getting out of drawdown is pretty much the same thing as getting into profit. Also on buys at 10:07. Didn't I take 10:07? Yeah, I pretty much did. The liquidity sweep turtle soup entry. Yeah, Justin's got some really good videos. I actually do like Justin. Yeah, I mean you can see this as a turtle soup. Why are you lowering risk? True. The reason I'm not lowering risk though. That's the thing. I take 2 trades per day. On average, I risk 300 per day. Initially, I was risking 200 on trade 1 and 100 on trade 2. But that doesn't make sense. I see that now. It does not make sense. And the stats of my account and my journal is telling me it does not make sense. Why? Because if I take trade 1 and let's say I lose, so I'm minus 200. Let's say I take trade 2 and I win, the 2R. That's plus 200. I'm break even on the day. Exactly, Hart. Exactly. So when I do it like 200 and 100, I'm break even. The only time I'm not break even is if I win the first trade, right? But if I do 150 and 150, so let's say I lose the first trade, we're minus 150. Second trade I win, it's plus 300 minimum, right? 2 hours my minimum. So even if I lose the first trade, win the second, we're still up on the day. But why didn't I think of this earlier, bro? This is such a basic. It makes common sense, bro. Stats right now, I'm 1R right now, 39% win rate. How do I know how I should be risking each trade? You gotta figure out what works for you. Make mistakes. It makes way more sense to split it evenly. It is profitable. But that's what I'm saying, Hart. Right now, yeah, I'm ICT. Am I gonna trade? No, probably not. Probably gonna go make breakfast and go to the gym. But I'll be live tomorrow, same time. 30% 1 to 3 is profitable. I should be 30% 1 to 2. That's the point I'm trying to make. Right now, 1 to 2 should be my minimum. So the fact that I'm 30% and I'm not 1 to 2, it means something's wrong. Something's wrong. I know I'm not taking trades that are not 1 to 2. So what's wrong? I'll tell you what's wrong. The trades that I'm winning, that hits 2R, it's only giving me $200 because I'm risking less on the second trade. You get what I'm saying? That's why it's not 2R. That's why it's 1R. Because I lose 200 on the first trade, and I take the second trade, I win 2R. Yeah, no partial. I only partial above 3. I like that you brought that up, because I've talked about that many times. I only partial above 1 to 3. Hit 5K, bro, as you told that day. Yeah, I trade inversions. You full close at 3? Yeah, I don't partial. I only partial above 3. Have you thought about scalping stocks? I used to scalp stocks. I actually had 15 winning to scalp stocks in a row. I've had trades run to 2.7 and I go to stop loss. How long have you been trading inversions? 8 months, maybe? 7 months? 6 months? Ever since ICT taught them, I added them to my repertoire. Why'd you stop? Futures just makes way more sense. My talk about parts 2 in the long term doesn't make sense. Yeah, me and him had a long talk about it. And I think that's where we both realized, like, bro, parcels just fuck you. How do you get money outside of trading? I work part-time. And I have a bunch saved from previous jobs. Inversions where it's at. I like the inversion. It's not my favorite PD rate, but I'll trade an inversion. Are you a full-time trader? What do you mean by full-time? Like, do I do it every day? I trade every day, same time. I don't make enough money from trading to not. I work part-time. Short? Oh, someone asked me if I had to trade something, what would I do? I would look for a long. Yeah, I would look for these highs to get taken. This is a good retracement entry. Oh, party hats? Yeah, I would look for long. I mean, we've been bullish the whole day. It's unfortunate we got stopped out, and then it's gonna hit TP now. You'll see. This was TP, right? Remember we said 930. 930. Yeah, 930 high. Let's see. Gym stats, bro. Gym stats are down, bro. What else do you use besides? I like breaker mitigation. That's my favorite entry model. I put MISO on. MISO likes it too. Breaker mitigation is super fire. That's my favorite. And I'm pretty sure I made that one myself. I mean, obviously I didn't make it myself, but that's kind of like my model. And then I use fair value gap. I use unicorn. I used OTE entry model. Would I long? Hell no. I do think it's gonna go up though. You could have longed here. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. This candle right here, or this candle right here with the inversion. You can long that. Put your stop to break even. If it's like super premium, I like to break even early. Long there, I'm up 700. See, there you go. Someone did it. All right, looks like that's it for today. Almost at 3-minute breaker. That is a 3-minute breaker right there. Yeah, that's your unicorn right there. I mean, the risk reward is not that good. I would like hold it till here, get your 2R, but I'd break even right here. That's what I would do. My gym stats up. Yeah, my gym stats are down, bro. It used to be so up. Then it went really down. Now we're coming back up slowly. Going to the gym after. Take care, Mitchell. Yeah, I'm about to hop out too. Go make some extra breakfast. So appreciate everyone coming through. We'll be live again tomorrow. This time, now this is a change I'm gonna make. I'm gonna start risking 150 every trade. Actually, we'll probably do 200. 200 every trade. Yeah. 200, 150. Yeah, we'll figure it out. 150 or 200 every trade. That's gonna help us for sure in the long run. So good eye on that. And yeah, take care, boys. Peace.